Here is the Kia Seltos, and that's where the bulb is. In order to access it, we have to open up the hatch and we have to get the light out because there's no way to directly access the bulb from inside. So for that we have to take off two screws, and these are Phillips head screws, so you need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's go ahead and get those screws out one by one and keep them somewhere safe. And now grab the light and then rock it first, and then try to slide it straight to the back of the car. Very likely it won't come off, so I'll show you a trick. Get a roll of duct tape. Now get one long piece of duct tape off and just put it on the light lengthwise, just the way I'm showing. And now let's repeat the process and get one more piece. And now grab the two ends of the two pieces like a handle and then yank the light out straight to the back. The light will come off. Just get the duct tape off. That's the bulb holder for the parking light. Just grab it and twist it left, and now you'll be able to get it out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put that back into the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before the bulb holder drops in and sits in flush. So it may take a few seconds. Be patient. Once it sits in like this, now just twist your right to lock it and you're done. That's it. This pin goes there. This other pin goes over there. There's two holes for the screws. This cutout goes onto that white pin. And that cutout is important when you're trying to put the light back on. So keep some pressure on the front edge over there. And then you push the light in. So one hand on the front edge, one hand pushes the light in to pop it in. This way the cutout goes onto the white pin and it doesn't stick out. And the light sits in properly. That is good. Now let's just put those two screws back in and tighten them up, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.